shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm prepping my skin and getting ready. So this is a picture I took on the window. Yay! So when you prep your skin, make sure it dries. So here I'm just adding the foundation. The mixture was not mixing, but yeah, I managed to get a hang of it and just mix like 3 different shades. And yeah, as you can see, I had like 3 different shades of foundation, so the coverage was not enough, so I had to add more foundation so that I can get the perfect coverage I want. Yeah, so in the rest of the video I will just play music and you guys can vibe with me as I enjoy doing my makeup today. So remember, this is a quick, easy makeup tutorial. It's something you can do like on a daily basis if you like doing makeup or if you're going somewhere. I just use few things you can use in your makeup bag. I'm sure you have. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you in my next video.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Every single moment, hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Okay, so guys, I am done. I am excited. I love my look. I love everything about it. It just stand out gorgeous. If you can see, just look at this. Don't mind my afro there. Yeah, but yeah, so this is my look. I actually just decided to do this because I'm going outside and I'm going to my university. I am going to take my graduation picture. Not graduation picture, but like graduation whatever, that picture they put on graduation degree. So that's what I am going to do. And overall, I love this look. It was supposed to be something simple, something quick, but I ended up taking time. But yeah, I love it, and I love how everything is looking. My makeup looks even if I didn't wear lashes because I'm lazy. But yeah, if you enjoyed how I did my makeup, I'll do a full tutorial on how I did this face or something different, because I don't know if it's just me, but like I can't do the same makeup twice. I don't know if it makes sense. Like, I don't know what I do, like, I don't know, but like I can do something similar but not the exact same thing. But overall, I love this. This is banging. So yes guys, so it comes to the end of today's video. Thanks very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
Talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now.